How to turn off suggested account on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can disable suggested accounts on TikTok so TikTok stops recommending your account to others. So in order to turn it off, you need to first open your TikTok application and then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines in the top right and then go to settings and privacy. From here, tap on privacy, that is between account and security. Now you need to go ahead and tap on suggest your account to others. Once you do that, simply toggle the switches of contacts, Facebook friends, and people who open or send links to you. Once you do that, you'll be done. This will prevent TikTok from suggesting your account in suggested for you, people you may know, and search suggestions. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.